What I see from players that not many players are able with control to split high black into the flat pack. Flat pack, it means then there are 2 or 3 balls are connected together into one spot, and it's really difficult to split with topspin because after the cue ball reaches the cushion, it loses the speed because of the topspin. The topspin still continues and reaches with less speed here. So if the player plays just with topspin and, for example, without any spin, it's very hard to split the balls. So this is what situation happens. So that's actually pretty good, you know. So what happens, it makes a curve, goes like that, and it really slows down, and it's very hard to split properly. And actually, it was quite a good split considering the pattern. Okay. So my advice would be in this particular situation is not to use topspin, is to use low and touch up right hand side. And the reason is because if you're going to play just below center, stunt shot, spin, the cue ball after impact is going to go this direction and straight into the pack. It doesn't mean that you're going to have 100% guaranteed position for the next shot, but for the fat black split, it's just going to have way more energy going there and more likely scenario to have at least one red open. No guarantees, but much more reliable. So Mark Williams is pretty good at this shot, and he uses when you have that kind of situation. And by absorbing his play, it's a cool shot to practice it because it could help you to make bigger breaks. Let's say you are on the 50 and you want to, finish your opponent. Maybe not 50, maybe 40, something like that. So you just have to adjust. In this case, I'm going to aim slightly thicker from the line because I'm going to play firm strokes, slightly touch up right hand side, and just watch and observe how the cue ball reacts. Right, so now I'm going to try to recreate that shot this time because I was slightly stuck, but much better than the first time with the topspin. I'm going to play a little bit more pace. And because it's also relatively back, ideally I want to get into this ball so it would have a little bit less weight going forward and it's going to be less stuck. So let's do it. Touch of right. So you see, much better option from this situation. Not ideal, not 100%, but still good enough. And you can practice like that. Let's get correct. But this is much better way than play topspin and getting totally stuck and having no chance to have any position, especially on the new cloth. So aiming thicker. And at least anyways, it doesn't matter that the red went in, but I have this potential red. And after that, you can make position for the black, or you can play straight red there. And when you have a flat pack, which is really difficult to split, by playing low in the cue ball, in this case, right hand side, the cue ball goes here and smashes like that. And on new cloth, new balls like polished balls is like much easier to push. But here, I didn't try it harder. So you can try for yourself. This is not a standard shot, but it's good to know that this shot is possible, so you could have a bigger break and win more. So that's it about, guys. And if you have questions, please let me know.